everyone. Okay, so the Greeting Farm is a stamp company that I adore, and they had a mystery stamp set that had to do with coffee, and I was like, okay, I am a coffee freak. I adore coffee, and so I used to drink 16 cups a day, so I adore coffee. I went down to 4, so that's good. So I had to have it. So it's going to be, this is a spoiler alert because not everyone has gotten theirs, okay? So it's a mystery. So I'm going to put on the description that it is a spoiler. So don't look if you don't want to know. It was $47. That was for the pre-order. So let's do coffee. So I'm not seeing a coffee theme. Are you guys seeing a coffee theme? I do not. I only see one coffee, and she showed that one already. So, well, it's okay because I love the Greeting Farm regardless. So I do, and I'm okay. But yeah, there's only one coffee girl. So kind of bummed about that. Oh well. All right, but I still love it. I love it, love it, love it. But I was hoping they would all be coffee themed. So, all right, guys, take care. What do you guys think? Let me know. Bye.